Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Whenever I've drawn or tried to draw something like this, I get the Polygon tool, let's say on 10-sided, and I draw it out. I held down the control button and I grab these two nodes and I convert them to a curve, and then I can take them and kind of make the shape I want, kind of like this, but it's not as easy. Well, it might be as easy as it looks, but it's not very uniformed, and you can kind of get away from what you're actually trying to do when you want just wavy lines like this. So the best way to do this is take an ellipse and go ahead and go to object and convert it to a curve, and then go underneath the shadow tool and get your distort tool, pick zipper, and you've got it right here, and then just start adding how many zipper frequency points you want, and then start adding the altitude of how far you want them to be apart. And it's kind of deceiving because now you change it like that and you get a stop sign. But if you go right here to smooth distortion, look at that. And now you could change it, a little more, a little less. You could have more and a lot. So if you do a polygon tool, you're stuck with how many sides you picked. If you do this, and you can use this handle, and actually I like using the numbers better, but you can kind of see what it looks like. Anyway, so think about that the next time you're playing around and trying to make that type of shape, is to use the distort tool over the polygon tool. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.